InSPIRE has allowed me to see lots of different options and resources that we can use in our classroom and skills that we can use with our kids.
You get excited, you get to do new things, you get to mold your classroom into whatever you want it to be, and I think that this program, InSPIRE, will continue to do that. It's a reason to stay in education.
A very helpful, beneficial program. I believe that it's going to be a powerful tool for our students. They are going to grow up in a world of technology and they need to be prepared to deal with that.
As the teachers that see these kids every single day, we can take all of these components that we're learning and the ones that we will learn and take them back and teach them to our students to inspire them to reach outside of what may be considered a traditional education path.
InSPIRE, to me, really represents hope and change. The acronym itself is pointing towards the future and the possibilities that are there, the hope that exists within ourselves and within our students.
I have truly felt inspired to share what I've learned, but also inspired to reach out to colleagues and inspire other educators to join on board, because this is a really exciting project that's going to impact a lot of families in our community.